Hey Mike, how are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. Hope you're doing well. Hey, like I said, good to talk to you on Friday. Like I said, I wanted to shoot you this quick video, just show you a few things, few tips and tricks to improve your online presence. Obviously, this is we'll just use this as an example. I look forward to talking to you a little bit more and finding out more specifics about obviously your company and your target market. But without further ado, want to talk about three things today. Number one, we'll talk about content. As you can see, I have your website pulled up here, so we'll talk about that. Number two, we'll talk about citations and specifically how that relates to what we call the Google Map Pack. And then third, we'll talk about backlinks. So number one, content. Nice website here. Love the images that you have in your website. Love your logo. The rule of thumb when it comes to Google is you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. The reason for that is when Google bots are scrolling websites, they're looking for that type of content because what that does is it gives you the right ratio of content to keyword ratio. So, I know 1,500 words might sound like a lot, but it's really not. At the end of the day, this is what we do. So, you've got a couple hundred words on your homepage. But we could share this up, really quickly. So that's content and why that's so important. And when you have that 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, you're going to see immediate results on your Google search and being found online when people are searching for, chip and seal, paving, asphalt paving, all these different keywords. It's gonna get us up there where we want to be. Number two, let's talk about citations. So when we talk about buyer intent keywords on Google, I typed in paving Austin, Texas, okay, as a pretty general buyer intent keyword. Obviously, if somebody types this in, they live in or around Austin and they need paving done, right? And they're here to do their research. So of course, first thing you're going to see are some of these sponsored ads. These and ads are fine. Believe me, we do a lot of successful Google ad campaigns. But what we really want to focus on are these organic results, because again, we don't want something that we're having to pay for day in and day out. This is, these Google results, these organic results is what's going to show up when people type in paving Austin, Texas. So this is a Google Map Pack. I'm sure you're familiar with this. But when people type this in after these sponsored ads, the first thing they're going to see are these 3 to 4 businesses here in this Google Map Pack. And that's where citations comes into play. All a citation is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed on the web. Okay, and so I'll show you. I was looking for your Google business profile, which is, for these businesses, this is their Google business profile. This is yours, and we want to get this working for you. But as you can see here, Lone Star chip seal. It has a Fort Worth address listed on it. It has this 707 number. We want to get this updated because this is where you can get a lot of new customers out of this. This is an underutilized thing for a lot of businesses, and we definitely want to get you in this Google Map Pack. But going back to our example here, so paving Austin, Texas, they're going to see these three businesses, right off the bat: Ballard's, Affordable Asphalt Paving, and Texan Paving, right? And so, these businesses are here day in and day out. They're not paying, for clicks on this. They're not paying for ads. These are organic results, and they're getting a ton of business out of it. So that's citations. And the way, again, a citation is all those directories you're signed up for. So your Facebook page is a citation. Your Yelp profile is a citation. Your HomeAdvisor.com profile is a citation. All these different directories you're signed up for are going to register on the web. So when Google bots are scrolling this information, they're seeing that Lone Star Paving, Lone Star Chip and Seal are signed up for all these different directories, and so we go in and we make sure that you're signed up for these same directories that your competition signed up for, and then we double down and we get you as many more citations than the competition as possible, and that will get us ranked in this top 3 where you're getting a lot of this business. So that's how citations plays into it. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. So again, folks are looking for local businesses. So after they see these three, four businesses in the Google Map Pack, they're going to scroll down and they're going to look for, the 1, 2, 3 local businesses that are on the first page of Google for their search, which they've searched Paving Austin, Texas. So first one that popped up was Lone Star Paving. Confused me at first because obviously your Lone Star chip seal. So, and we'll come back to this. I'll show you a little bit more about how we look at why they're ranked on the first page and number 1 on this page for this search term. And that comes down to backlinks. So this is a software that I use. It's called Ahrefs. I pay $500 a month for this thing, but what it allows me to do is take a deeper look at your website, competitors' websites, and see what's going on, see what's good, what's bad, what can be improved. And these are your results for Lone Star Chip Seal TX.com, your URL here. We don't have a lot of data. So, we want to see, here is these 2 numbers here that would usually have some data. There's nothing there. So all this kind of says is the power of your website and the popularity of your website. We should have some numbers registering here. But these are your backlinks, and we don't have any backlinks registered either. All a backlink is, Mike, is a backlink is your URL. So Lone Star Chip Seal TX.com, it's your URL that's linked on other websites. And what it does is linking back to your site and giving your site power. Because again, not to sound like a broken record, but those Google bots that are scrolling, looking for, the websites that have the authority and the ones that they're going to put on the first page of their search results, you want to have that power. And that's where they're getting it, is through these backlinks. So we want to have a backlink. So what I wanted to show you was Lone Star Paving TX.com and their results, just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, they've got a 19 and 20 for their popularity and the power of the website. But look at this. They have over 2,000 backlinks. Not to say you need 2,000 backlinks to be on the first page of Google, but we want to go after those powerful backlinks that are going to power your site. So when people are looking for your service, they're going to find you first. Because what that's doing is, as you can see here, it's ranking them for over 2,800 keywords. So let me punch into their organic keywords real quick just to show you what I mean. So when we look at their organic keywords, let's find a buyer intent keyword that they're ranking for. Okay, right here, asphalt paving Austin, Texas. Okay. Now the way I read this here is 150 searches per month. They have 150. There's 150 searches in the marketplace per month for that keyword, asphalt paving Austin, Texas. Right. Now, what does that mean for Lone Star Paving? As we scroll over here, 53 click-throughs to their website. That's 53 clicks for this search that they're getting to their website to give them a call, to fill out their estimate form, whatever that may be. That's, a good portion of those are becoming customers, right? These are buyer ready customers that are looking to call the company. So, you scroll down here, another one here, Paving Austin, Texas. Okay. 100 searches per month. They're getting 42 click-throughs to their site for that. And why is that? Because they're ranked number 2 on that search. Same with asphalt paving Texas. They're ranked number 2. So that's what I mean by buyer intent. That's how we turn your website into a money-making machine, instead of something that's that really can't be found on the web. So we want to get you out there. We want to make you visible when people are searching for your service. And I look forward to showing you more about how we do that. But I hope this video helped. I will follow up and see if you have any questions and get some more information so we can put a proposal together for you and get this get your online presence working for you. So I hope that helps. Here's my contact info if you need it. But like I said, I'll be following up and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks, Mike.